Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakob right here, and in today's video you are going to learn how to transfer your Wechat account from one phone to another phone and log into your Wechat account successful without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So let's get started. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to log in successful to your Wechat account from one phone to another phone. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to know is to make sure that your Wechat is updated. So for you to know, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. But if you are using iPhone, just follow the same procedure. You're going to be fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my search bar right here. I'm going to type in Wechat. All right, so you can see that this Wechat here is updated. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on open. So right here, what you need to do is to click on login. Instead of clicking on sign up, just click on login. Then at this point here, you have to change your country right here. So I'm going to change from US to Nigerian. So Nigerian. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that you need to enter the Wechat phone number. Okay. So I'm going to enter the Wechat phone number right here. After entering your login number, next thing you need to do is to click on accept and continue. Then right here, you will be asked to enter the login password for this account. Then click on login.
Then you'll be asked to check on the puzzle. Then identity verification. Click on start now, right here. Click on start to verify. Then you have three options to verify. The first option is via SMS code. The second option is via QR code. Third option is by friend. So I will use the last option right here, which has to do with ask friend to verify using app login. So I'm going to click on that. Then a friend is going to send this number to me on their Wechat account. So the person must be in your Wechat friend list before you can use these options. So I'm going to contact the friend now to send me the code. All right, so you can see right here, after the friend send me this code, so I'm going to click on here and click on back.
So you need about 2 people to verify your account before you can log in successful. So I'm waiting for the second person to send the code to me so the account can be logged in successful. So you can see the verification has been successful. So what I'm going to click right here is to click on done. After clicking on done, I'll click on login. Then you still have to complete the puzzles. Just slide like this. Just click on done. So you can see the Wechat has been successfully logged in. So this is how you can transfer your Wechat account from one phone to another phone, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you got value for this video. If you've enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.